Kids, let's learn coloring flowers step by step. First, a beautiful rose outline. Pick the red color. Fill slowly inside the petals, red color. Now green for the leaves. Beautiful. Next, a sunny sunflower outline. Pick bright yellow for the petals. Fill the petals, yellow color, slowly. Brown for the center. Green stem and leaves, perfect. Now the pretty lotus flower. Pick lovely pink for petals. Fill the petals pink color, gently. Green leaves, wonderful. Beautiful flowers, you did it. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun coloring.